Hello and welcome to today's video. We'll be taking a closer look at toaster. If you're looking for a stylish and functional toaster for your kitchen, then this might just be the one for you. This toaster has a 2-slice capacity and an adjustable browning control so you can get your toast just the way you like it. The extra wide slots are perfect for different types of bread, including thick slices of sourdough and bagels. The automatic bread centering ensures that every slice is toasted evenly, no matter its size or shape. The defrost and reheat functions make this toaster even more versatile, and the removable crumb tray makes cleaning up a breeze. What sets this toaster apart is its 1950s retro aesthetic design. The cream color and rounded shapes give it a classic, vintage look that will add a touch of nostalgia to your kitchen. The anti-slip feet provide stability, and the cord storage ensures that your countertop stays neat and tidy. The retro-style aesthetic 2-slice toaster in cream is not just a functional toaster, but a stylish addition to your kitchen. If you're looking for a toaster that will make your mornings a little brighter, then this is the one for you. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the Smeg toaster. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen appliance reviews.